What's the meaning of clarity? Clarity. Clarity.
Clarity. Clarity. Clarity refers to the state of being clear, distinct, and easily understandable. It is characterized by a lack of confusion, ambiguity, or vagueness. Clarity can be achieved through clear communication, precise language, and well-defined objectives. When there is clarity in a situation, people can understand what is expected of them and can work towards achieving their goals with confidence and purpose. Clarity allows for effective decision-making, problem-solving, and collaboration among individuals or groups. It enables people to express themselves clearly and to receive and process information accurately. Ultimately, clarity leads to greater understanding, satisfaction, and success.